A little black bear across the road, running, running.
Ain't nobody gonna do it for you. You got to find your own.
Want to eat? You hungry? Probably. What should we do today when it stops raining? Is it going to stop raining ever? What do you think? You okay? The flies are terrible, aren't they? Where's your frisbee? Where's your frisbee? You want to get it? You want to get it? You want to get it? Get it? I really don't like running my generator. It makes a lot of noise. Even when I'm out in the middle of nowhere all by myself, I hate that I have to plug in my RV to the gas-powered generator and listen to the noise while I'm keeping all my electronics charged, while I'm trying to get a little bit of my battery charged when it's rainy or cloudy. Luckily, that wish is becoming a reality thanks to my partnership with Bluetti. So check it out. I can now get rid of my generator. With the AC500 plus B300S, I have everything I need to power my entire RV, even my air conditioning. This is 5,000 watts of power and 10,000 watts surge. So I can actually run my air conditioning off grid for the first time since I've had this RV, since my onboard generator doesn't work. It's even got a 30 amp plug and a 50 amp plug, so I can plug my whole RV directly into the Bluetti solar generator and power everything in my RV. I've had it plugged in now for about 2.5, 3 hours, and I'm only at 52%. I started at 100%. And get this, the AC500 can be recharged 6 different ways, with AC, which is your 110 plugging into the wall, solar, your car, your generator, a lead acid battery, or dual using AC and solar at the same time. When you plug it into the wall, it's going to charge up to 80% in less than an hour. And I ran my air conditioning for about an hour. I've had it plugged in for about 2.5 hours, and I'm not even down 50%. So this thing is going to last all day long. If you're going to take it camping with you, or if you're going to use it as a backup power source at your house, this is a great option, because with the UPS, which is uninterruptible power source, you can plug this in, and if your power goes out, this automatically kicks on. So if you have really important electronics or medical equipment that cannot ever have a loss of power, this is an awesome solution, because it'll just kick right in and you never have to worry about losing power on those important devices. And with its Life PO4 battery, this thing is going to last you a long time. You're going to get 3,500 cycles, up to 80%. That means if you're using it every day, living in an RV, it's going to last you almost 10 years. So imagine how long it's going to last you if you're using it as a backup power source for your home in case of an emergency. Because we know with weather getting more dramatic and power outages becoming more frequent, everybody is going to need to start thinking about having a backup power source if you don't already. You can run your whole house on this, your refrigerator, your washing machine. I'm running everything in my RV on it right now. So imagine if you just need it every once in a while in your home for those occasional power outages, or even a day or two. And with the 350 watt solar panel in the back, as long as you have plenty of sun, you're going to be able to keep it charged. You have 16 different outlets here for charging things in. You've got the wireless on the top for wireless charging your cell phones. You've got your DC outputs. You've got your USBs. Your 20 amp, these are your to plug in your 110 or your 120. And then, like I said, you've got two 30 amps and a 50 amp for plugging in your RV. You've also got some down here as well, for a total of 16 outlets. You can plug in 16 things at once, which makes it a really great companion to take camping with you, off-grid living, if you're living in a off-grid cabin or whatever. You're gonna have plenty of power to be able to plug in all of your electronics to keep them fully charged while you're off-grid. So whether you live full-time in an RV or you're living off-grid on your very own homestead and you're looking for something to power your life, or you're still living in the suburbs in a sticks and bricks and you're worried about power outages and you want to make sure you never run out of power, the Bluetti AC500 plus B300S is absolutely something that you need in your life. So check out the link in the video description below so that you can see everything this amazing power system does. Can I see? The weather forecast is never, ever, ever right here. Ever. We're supposed to be done with the rain. So I'm caught in the rain again. Happens a lot. I should know better. I should leave with my rain jacket. Holy crap. I guess this is my bath for the day. You alright? I know, it's really coming down. You alright, Sadie girl? I had a bear recently, it looks like. Oh no, that's my bare feet. I walked out here barefoot this morning. That's my barefoot. That's my barefoot. I thought I saw one though. Oh yeah, that's my bare feet. Come on. Come on, little girl. Let's go inside, dry off. Up. Good girl. Damn it. I left this out thinking it wasn't going to rain. Damn it. You know, it's still working, so I'm going to let it, hopefully. So I bought this to keep mosquitoes away. Here, let's hang it over here. All right. Bummer. Never trust the weather. My next job is going to be meteorologist. How's that? How's that? You want to shake? You gonna shake? You gonna shake? Is it a bear? I think it's a bear. Oh yeah, I hear it. Shh. Settle. Settle. Hey. It just came out before I even had my coffee. And I'm walking around. I always look around. It's early, 8 o'clock, but Sadie's out, you know, so I'm always keeping my eye peeled. A little black bear across the road, running. Bummer. I wish I'd gotten it on camera. Like a juvenile. So Sadie was in the woods. I called her when she came. She would have chased it. And I yelled for her, so the bear heard me. Rainy morning here in camp. Let's go see if we can see its prints. Stay, girl. Stay here. Just make sure it's gone. Let's just make sure it's gone. Hold on. Yeah, I don't see its prints. Oh, there it is. No, that's a moose print. All right, let's leave it. It's probably gone. I'm sure it's long gone. Come on. Roly-poly little thing. I know, I look lovely first thing in the morning. Washed my hair last night. All right, getting my coffee, starting my day. That was exciting. Wasn't it? Wasn't it? First I thought it was Sadie. It wasn't very big. It was a black thing going across the road, you know. At first I thought it was Sadie, and I was like, oh shit, no, it's a bear.